Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
Which function can you use to find clustering depth of a Snowflake table? I'll give you 3 seconds to choose the answer. Two answers need to be selected from this. And the right answer is clustering depth and clustering information. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to have a short demo to try and show how this works. So I'm going to what is known as create a target database, use that target database and use the public schema inside the target database, followed by creation of a customer table, which I will populate with rows from the sample data provided by Snowflake. Now that is done, what we are going to do is that we are going to find the clustering depth and we are going to use the clustering information to try and find out if this is the right function. So yes, we were able to use the clustering depth function from here as we had thought. And next we are going to run the clustering function. Let's take a look at clustering function. I've copied clustering function and I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, clustering information also provides the average depth just like clustering depth. So which function can be used to find clustering depth of a Snowflake table? We can use both the clustering depth as well as the clustering information for that. The primary difference is that clustering information gives you a lot more information that the clustering depth does not provide. So it has more uses than just simply finding the clustering depth.